Hi guys, welcome to our HitPaw FotorPea tutorial series. In this video, you'll learn how to remove backgrounds from people for design projects or ID photos, remove product backgrounds for e-commerce, and get rid of unwanted objects such as passers-by, watermarks, and even blemishes. All of this is super easy, so let's get started right away. Make sure you've downloaded HitPaw FotorPea. I'll also put the link in the description so you can try it yourself. For the Remove Background feature, click Toolbox in the left sidebar, then select BG Remover. Simply import your images. Each image will cost 1 credit. Click the Remove button, and the software will automatically remove the background for you. In the bottom left corner, you can check the processing progress. Once the background removal is complete, you can try different background options in the right panel, such as solid colors or the built-in background presets. Let's check the result of the second image. If you're not fully satisfied with the result, you can also use the brush and eraser tools to fine-tune the image. You can scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in on the image and check the details more closely. When everything looks good, just click Export. Now let's go back to the toolbox. Here you'll find the Object Remover. Click on it. It can help you remove almost anything from a picture. Take this image for example, such as people on the beach, swimmers in the water, or boats docked by the shore. Simply use the AI box selection tool to draw a box around the area, and the program will automatically select it for you. Click Preview to check the removal result. Using the same AI box tool, you can also remove watermarks, or you can manually draw over the watermark with the brush tool. Let's take a look at the result. Amazing! See? It's that easy. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.